Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how we can migrate and synchronize logins between different instances. And the most common scenario is once you are migrating the databases from one instance to another instance, you want to migrate all the logins. So with using the community Powershell modules, which is DBA tools, and it's a very powerful set of modules, so you can use it. I would definitely recommend to study those, but out of hundreds of commands, I'll be using only one command to migrate and synchronize the logins. And the second scenario, which is also very common, is once we are using the always on availability group to synchronize databases between different instances. So we by default, Microsoft does not provide, prior to SQL 2022, there is no way we can synchronize the logins and jobs, linked servers, all the non-contained objects. So to synchronize the logins between the replicas, we can use a PowerShell command. It's very simple. We can create a job and regularly synchronize it. So for example, if we want to create a login and we see this is our SQL 01 is the first replica, SQL 02 is the second replica, we'll just refresh it, and the SQL 03 is the third replica. So for example, if we and by the way, these are all synchronized. So if I just show you, these are all synchronized. Somehow one of them is disconnected. I'll see that. Okay, so for example, if we want to synchronize a login from one replica to all the secondary replicas, we can script the logins and then we can execute the login script, or the other way is to use the PowerShell command. So I'll just create one login, my test login. So this login will never be automatically synchronized unless we do some manual work. So that manual work is very simple. So for example, if we just start the PowerShell ISE and using only single command, and by the way, this is the URL from where I have copied the script. This is the documentation for dbatools.io. Definitely go look at these options like Copy-DbaLogin, Copy-DbaSQL Job or Agent Job. So these are like very useful commands. I'm just using one command. So this is the command. Once we copy the login from SQL 01 to SQL 02, once we run this command, it will take some time and it will actually migrate all the logins from SQL 01 to SQL 02. Okay, so now this result shows us that this login was successfully migrated. So now one time is okay, we can do it, but it would be nice to have a job doing this on a regular basis. So for example, if we just create a new job, synchronize logins, and inside the steps we will use SQL CMD shell, and we will just use PowerShell.exe, and we'll supply with this command, and we'll name it like Synchronize logins, and I'll click OK. And for example, we can run it on daily basis, like every day, run at midnight, so whatever you can. So let's make the job. And by the way, let's try. Yeah, it's synchronized now. So I'll just delete it again. And now I will start the job. Okay, so now this has completed, and let's see if the second instance is synchronized again with the job, with the logins. So yes, we can see it's synchronized, and it will keep on doing this. So with this very simple script, you can synchronize all the logins from one instance to another instance. And obviously, like, you can create a dynamic script, like whichever is the primary one, and once you fail over, you can use a dynamic script to synchronize the logins from the primary to the secondaries. So I hope this will help you as a DBA to maintain your jobs, logins, linked servers, all the non-contained objects from primary instance to the secondary instance, and it will make your life a lot easier. And definitely do study the DBA tools. It's an excellent tool, and all the modules are really useful in different scenarios. Thank you, and leave comments for any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.